Hey, I'm Brian Van. I'm here with my man Jimmy Fox, and we're going to announce our next STG project bike. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, Jimmy and I went down to Barber to do some riding.
We did.
We did. I made him go. I actually made him go, and I think I got a little trouble with his fiance. But you know what? If you're going to get in trouble for something, get in trouble for riding motorcycles, man.
Amen. Sorry, babe.
That's trouble. That is trouble worth investing in. Anytime, for sure. So Jimmy took down his 2011 GSX-R 750. And I got to hand it to you, dude. Best you ever rode. That was...
Absolutely.
It was almost faster than I was. I was only a tenth faster, and I'll be honest with you, that motivated me a little bit. And I applied said motivation 2 weeks after that date. That's another story. But he rode really well, and he had a great time. And he came home thinking...
Time for a leader bike.
Time for a new bike. Time for a leader bike. So we decided to blend this in to a new project here at STG. And I think what he was trying to do, I think he was trying to get me to build his bike for him. And I'm happy to do it because I love my man Jimmy. So, what do we have here, man?
We have a 2018 BMW S1000RR from my good friends at Southeast Sales in Wisconsin. Thank you so much for the deal. I picked this up with 2,300 miles. Right now it is bone stock, which is perfect for the purposes of STG. So really looking forward to getting into this bike over the winter with Brian, and by the start of the spring here we're going to have a full-blown race bike because I don't street ride at all. So it's time to turn this thing from a completely stock street bike to a pretty kick-ass race bike.
Super kick-ass race bike. If you want to go over there, you can go ahead and show the light too. There was a giant stack of parts. Jimmy is one of those dudes. He is always prepared. I think a lot of the parts started showing up before the motorcycle even got delivered, to be honest with you.
That's a fact, yeah. As soon as I signed the paperwork, I started ordering parts. But by my calculations, we should have about 40 videos plus queued up on this bike to put on the internet. So I think it'll be pretty
full
good.
track bike build. So who is this going to speak to? Any BMW owner. We're going to do stuff like remove the OE bodywork, give you an idea of what it takes to do that. And honestly, I haven't really worked on a BMW before, so this would be a little bit of a learning curve here for me too. I do have a lot of mechanical experience, so I'm sure I'll find my way through it. From there, the majority of the videos are really going to be race track focused, track bike focused. Still, that said, a lot of the modifications, exhaust, brake lines, brake rotors, creeping bike, right? A lot of the cool parts that we're putting on it, that's still going to transfer over. If you're doing these things to your street bike, these videos should still have a lot of value and help you get your project done. We're excited about it. I know he's really excited to start the spring of 2020 with a brand new bike, so stay tuned.